Yeah, here we have the Milwaukee magnetic base drill press. This model is the 4204-1. It appears to be unused. It's in really good condition. We're going to fire it up just to show you that it does operate. And what we do is we turn the magnet on, and of course we don't have a plate of metal under here, but we check the magnet. It works great. And then here's your variable speed control here. We're going to put it on forward. That starts the motor up here. And as we turn it up, okay, and it's in the forward position. It also has reverse on here, as you can see under the wire there. Just press that button right there and turn it up. Put it back down, hit the drill off, and then turn the magnet off. Okay. Also, I'm going to show you, the motor spins up right here. There you go, that's to its max right there. I believe it's 9 inches. Now the only thing that's happening here is one of the plastic balls for the knob end, it's missing. You can definitely purchase one of them from Milwaukee. This also includes tie down chain, tie down hook, chuck key for the 1/2 inch capacity chuck, and an instruction manual. So there you have it, the Milwaukee electromagnetic base drill press. And we thank you for looking at our product.